Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Delilah if you don't know already. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks that have been helping me this summer on how to stay smelling fresh and clean and my skin looking nice. You're going to sweat, all right? Don't be afraid of the sweat. Be afraid of the must. So if you want to keep smelling good this whole summer, keep watching. All right, so we're going to start top to bottom. You want to make sure that you are washing your hair regularly. Everybody has a different type of hair care regimen. Some people need to wash their hair every day. Some people need to wash their hair once or twice a week. Don't just use any regular shampoo. I really do suggest getting a detox shampoo. My favorite one at the moment is the OUAI detox shampoo. I'll post two pictures here because I love to give people options. Everybody's different. That detox shampoo is no joke, okay? It strips every single bit of oil. If you have buildup, oils, gaspa, and you want to achieve like that nice flowy weightless hair look, is a detox shampoo. That's the secret right there. Or you can do the K18 detox shampoo. I love the K18 detox as well because it has charcoal infused in it, and also it doesn't strip your hair as much as the OUAI. The OUAI, you really need to deep condition and wear a hair mask for a really long time because the way it strips your hair from everything. Your scalp, your hair will be squeaky clean. Down to the face. Make sure you are washing your face. Your face is the first thing to get oily. Your face is the first thing to get breakouts. Your face is the first thing to start sweating most of the time. So make sure that you're washing your face at the end of the day, in the morning if you can, so that you can get rid of all that oil, all that dirt, all the environmental debris just going onto your face. Please wash your face, because you ever smelled your upper lip and you're like, what is that? Yeah, wash your face, okay? Another thing, it's summertime. We outside. We not wearing earmuffs. We don't have hats on. You gotta make sure that you buy yourself a pack of Q-tips. Because you're probably thinking, oh, nobody's looking in my ear. No, it's bright as fuck outside. You can see everything. Best believe I'm looking deep inside your ear. Sometimes I be guilty of not doing it as much because it's not good to clean your ears every single day. You don't have to clean inside, but just try to clean like around your ear to get rid of that dead skin, because that builds up and we don't see that, but other people do, and it looks gross, okay? Now, when it comes to bathing, girl, boy, you need to step it up. I am a sensitive girly. For my sensitive girlies, I understand it's hard to find soaps that aren't gonna irritate your skin, that isn't gonna cause any infections. Summertime, we need something with a little fragrance. If you guys watch my shower routine and my skincare routine, I love using my Dr. Bronner soap. In the winter time, I use this all over my body and down there as well. But if I do want a little bit of scent, I'm still gonna go towards the sensitive route because Dr. Bronner's, they have a sensitive line when it comes to the soap. So in the winter time, I use the lavender all over my body for a scent. And then for private areas, I use my sensitive baby soap. It doesn't have a scent or anything. It doesn't irritate, so it's perfect. I tried doing that this summer. I tried using my little lavender Dr. Bronner soap, or even just the sensitive one. Girl, no. You know what I needed to pull out? Hold on. I had to pull out this bad boy right here. This is the Sol de Janeiro Beige Flor body wash. It's infused with retinol, mimicking cacao oil and squalene to help support cell turnover and deeply nourish for smooth, plump skin. I chose this one out of all the other soaps that Sol de Janeiro has because I love the fact that it has retinol in it. Ever since I started using this summer, I don't stink. When it started to get really hot here in New York, I was only using my Dr. Bronner soap. In a few hours, I swear, yo, I'm not lying. In a few hours, I started to smell like onions a little bit. I started using this. I don't like to put deodorant on at night. The next day, I didn't smell. I was good. I smelled real neutral. Ain't stink, ain't smell like flowers, but I wasn't smelling like no onions. And mind you, I'm only using this for my body, and I go in with this first so that when I'm in the shower, all the fragrance and the soap can wash away, and then I go in with my sensitive soap to finish washing my private areas to get rid of any residue that may have landed in those areas. You know what I mean? Sensitive girlies, we got it bad. It fucking sucks, but I got you. That's not the only thing that you're gonna do in the shower, okay? You're going to double cleanse. This changed the appearance of my skin so much. When you double cleanse, think about it like makeup. You have a full face of makeup on. You're not gonna go in with your cleanser and your water. No, you're gonna go in with your makeup remover, with your makeup wipe, oil cleanser, with your cleansing balm, whatever it is that you use to remove your makeup first. That's what you're gonna do to get rid of that first layer. Then you're gonna go in to deep cleanse with your cleanser and water. It's the same thing when you're taking a shower. So since it's summertime, we're sweating a lot more, we're producing a lot more oil, we're outside a lot more, we're wearing less clothes, so more dirt is getting on us. You want to make sure that you're really scrubbing and cleansing your skin very, very good and properly. Another thing that I also suggest is getting yourself an African net. Changed my life completely. I can wash my back no problem, and I love that. I really want to start taking care of my back. That's why I bought the African net, because I have a lot of discoloration back here. It's long enough, stretchy enough, and it exfoliates the skin very, very nicely, and your skin feels so smooth afterwards. That first scrub that you do is just getting rid of that first little layer of dirt and oil that you have on your skin, and then just go back in one more time to really get rid of that grime. Just strip your skin, man. It's summer, just strip everything. So the next thing you're gonna do, you can do this once or twice a week. You're gonna exfoliate with an actual scrub. So this is a scalp and body scrub, but I mainly just use it for my body. I am so obsessed with this. This is the OUAI St. Barts body scrub. I got the mini size. It comes in a big jar if you want the full size, but that's an extra boost for your shower regimen. You could do this once or twice a week just to get rid of any excess dead skin. You don't want dead skin piled up. Like, it's just gonna, you're not gonna look smooth, you're not gonna look radiant, you're not gonna look soft. So you really want to make sure that you're doing this at least once or twice a week just to maintain the dead skin on your body, because it builds up really, really fast. When a lot of people are shopping for fragrances, they're always shopping for something that smells good and something that's gonna last long. And a lot of the times people don't understand that most of the time the reason why your fragrance isn't lasting so long is because you're not taking care of your body. You're not taking care of your skin or the area where you're spraying it. So this is really crucial to smell good all day. But if you don't do the first thing I said when it comes to your shower regimen, it's out the window. Even if you do this step to smell good all day, if you don't double cleanse, if you don't scrub, if you don't exfoliate, you're not gonna smell good all day. After you do your shower regimen, what you're gonna do, you're gonna layer on product. Now you're gonna take your lotion, your body butter, whatever it is that you use to hydrate. After that, you're gonna layer it on with an oil. The oil is the magic, okay? Body butters are great, yes, for hydration. It's gonna make your skin look nice, but body oils is what's gonna give you that glow. It's gonna give you that radiance, that youthful look. Your skin is just gonna look so soft. And the oil on top of your lotion or your body butter, when you put your fragrance on, your fragrance is gonna sink into that oil and body butter combo. This is all gonna merge together. It's gonna sink in, and it's gonna sit and penetrate into your skin a lot better, and your fragrance is just gonna be a lot stronger, and that's what's gonna make your fragrance last all day. You may not smell it on yourself, but when you go and hug somebody, you give somebody a kiss on the cheek, they're gonna compliment you on how good you smell. My favorite lotions right now are the Sol de Janeiro. I'm in between these two. I usually, like, when my skin is really, really dry, or if I'm doing my skincare regimen at night, I like to go in with the purple because the hydration on this is insane. This is thick, okay? This body butter is thick. This one is a lot more lightweight. It's really, really creamy. It's more whipped. And then I layer it with my baby. I wanted you so bad, and now I have you in my hands. This is another Sol de Janeiro product. This is not sponsored by any brand that I am mentioning here, okay? I love Sol de Janeiro. I love OUAI hair care, but it's not sponsored, okay? I got these with my own money. I genuinely just love these products. So I love to layer it with my Bum Bum Body Firmeza oil. I am praying to the Sol de Janeiro gods that they come out with an oil like this. With an oil with this scent, because Oh my God, it smells so good. Heavenly. Please guys, let me know in the comments down below which one goes first. This is something that I'm still trying to figure out. Do you put the oil first and then the body butter, or do you put your body butter first and then the oil? But as long as you're layering your oil and your body butter after you exfoliate it and double cleanse your skin, you put on your fragrance, you're gonna smell good for the rest of the day. Oh my God, wait, I completely forgot. I moved down to body. I forgot one more thing at the top, your breath. Okay, it's summertime, we're outside, we're drinking all the time, we're eating all the time. We don't have time to be carrying our toothbrush, our toothpaste, going to a public bathroom. Who's doing that? Who's going to a public bathroom and brushing their teeth? Nobody, okay? But if you are an Invisalign wearer, if you wear retainers and all that, most likely you're gonna have some floss on deck, you're gonna have a mini mouthwash. So you're good on that. You wanna make sure that you're at least carrying some gum, some mints, or if you forget, girl, if you forget to bring gum and mint, you can get this. This is a Fenty lip gloss. When I tell you, and it's clear, I know it looks blue, but it shows up clear on your lips. When I tell you, when you put that on, when you put that lip gloss on, it literally smells like you just brushed your teeth. If you forget your supplies for your mouth to keep it fresh, just reapply your lip gloss. It's gonna smell like you just brushed your teeth. I promise you. I'm sorry to say, we're saying goodbye just for the summertime. We're saying goodbye to our aluminum-free deodorant. This is another Sol de Janeiro product that I really, really love. I love the scents, and the deodorant smell just like the lotions and the sprays. I used to use this one in the winter because I wasn't really sweating in the winter, and it did its job. And I'm trying to use more aluminum-free deodorant so that I can detox. You know, I don't want to, you know, I don't think this one is aluminum-free because it doesn't say. Oh, it is aluminum-free. Wow, so this is a really good aluminum-free deodorant because I smelled like this the next day. So this is, scratch that. So this is an aluminum-free deodorant that actually lasts and you stay smelling like deodorant till the next day. This is insane. So this is Salt and Stone deodorant, Santal and Vetiver. If you like sandalwood, because I think that's the scent, or is it Santal? Yeah, it's probably Santal. You're gonna like this deodorant. Wow, I can't believe I'm flabbergasted. No wonder everybody's going crazy for these. I guess, yeah, if you want to remain using something that's aluminum free that's actually gonna work, I would use the Salt and Stone because a week ago I was at work and I used this and I'm telling my coworker, I'm like, oh my God, I just sweated out my Sol de Janeiro deodorant. She's like, really? I'm like, yeah, I stink. I tried this a few days ago and the next day I still smelled like it. I guess this one is a little bit stronger. So this one is a high performance, okay. It's a high performance deodorant formulated for 24-hour protection. Seaweed extracts and hyaluronic acid moisturize the skin while probiotics help neutralize odor, parabens and phthalates free. I really recommend this one. So when it comes to sweat, honestly, I'll recommend this to you, but it's just something that I can't get into because I just don't like the thought of it. I feel like as humans, we have to sweat. It's just something that we have to do. We have to detox. Yes, we put deodorant on our underarms, but it's like our underarms, it smells ridiculous if we don't put deodorant on. But I feel like other places of our body, it doesn't really stink, you know? If you smell someone that stinks, there's a reason why they stink. Like, you're gonna smell what stinks. It's either their scalp, it's either their breath, it's either their underarms, or it's either their feet. I've been seeing a lot of advertisements for body deodorant, but I don't know. It doesn't sound right to me. And the fact that we're putting deodorant all over our body, I feel like it's just clogging our pores entirely. And I don't like the sound of that. So that's why I started the video. We're gonna start head to toe. There's just certain areas in your body that targets body odor. When it comes to body deodorant, no. I feel like as long as you're double cleansing in the shower and you're exfoliating once or twice a week and you're layering your skincare products, your lotions, your oils, your fragrances, I feel like you're gonna smell really, really good. The next thing for your feet. Like, yes, you could get your weekly pedicures every other week or whatever, cool. But I still feel like it's important to still have your little foot scrub if you miss an appointment, or if you just can't go, or if you just can't afford it right now. I just feel like it's really important to have a foot scrub, a foot file, to get rid of any calluses, to get rid of any dryness, any flakes on your feet. Wash your feet, man. People don't wash their feet in the shower. I know it's annoying because you're standing in the shower and you got to bend down and you got to lift one foot up. Wash your feet. Your feet are dirty. They're sweaty. You know the cuticle like pusher tool, how it's a cuticle cutter on one side and then there's like a flat sharp side on, like, I don't know what to call that. But that short, flat side, I feel like that's a really good tool to get into your toes, to get rid of all that, you know, like that toe jam, like that fungus smell, to, you know, I feel like that causes a lot of funk. Get that and just try to wear like breathable shoes. Buy breathable socks. That's something that I don't understand. It's like, why people's feet be stinking? Change your socks. Yeah, I don't, that's something that I need to do more research on, because I don't know why people's feet be stinking. So I would say that's the last thing that you need to know. I feel like you guys are set when it comes to this topic. If I do more research and I find anything else, I'll make an updated video on this. I feel like if you follow these tips, you're gonna see a difference, and not only in the longevity of your fragrances and your body butters, but I just feel like your overall skin, your skin is gonna look a lot more even. It's gonna look a lot more smoother, softer, radiant. You're gonna look good this summer, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. If you don't know what to comment algorithm. It helps me. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.